Where do most projects start? They start on the drawing board table with the homeowner, drawing with the architect. And the architect says, hey, do you have a builder? And then he goes to his couple of builders. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah, sure. I've got a couple of builders here. How about you pick my preferred builder, my number one builder, the builder that I work with, everything. Yes, okie dokie. You see, in the pre-construction conversation, you could be in there early with the customer, da da da, da and the architect, da da da, da helping them price the project, get the project right, make sure the angles are good. Oh, I wouldn't really use that cladding on that wall. I actually think you need a window here. Have you seen the block? All these conversations come up in this drawing phase. And the last thing you want to be is here competing for the job. You don't want to be one of these guys that are getting 5 or 6 quoted. Oh, yep, can you match this other builder's quote, please? Like, have you heard that before? Let's not play that game. Let's make sure you get the golden handshake and you are chosen first. Now, how do you do this? How do you get on these architects' lists so that you do get that golden handshake? Now, here's the thing. It's not Google. Architects aren't Googling builder that works with architects. They already have builders inside their LinkedIn, inside their email inbox, and at their front door delivering them donuts. True story. So, what's the first step to getting the golden handshake and becoming the rising star? Let's do it. I'm going to give you a script right now. Here's the subject line for your email. Enjoyed your work in Lane Cove. This is going to excite them. It's going to think, what on earth is this email about? Can you imagine if the email was builder, builder, oh my God, I can't type like that. Builder looking for work. Do you think you'd get an open on that email? No, you need to be smart. You need to think like a marketer. Enjoyed your work in suburb. Ooh, interesting, he says. He might open that email. Hey, architect's name, Jerry. Use their name, please. I run a building company delivering custom homes and major renos in Lane Cove. Oh my gosh. I typically work in the $1 to $2 million range. Now, here's a few things that we're doing that you might have missed. It's personal. It's exciting. We're triggering them to open the email, but more importantly, we are telling them exactly what kind of builder we are. We build between the 1.2 to the $2 million range, meaning that if this architect actually has some jobs in that area and they want a new builder to work with, well, then guess what? This is going to streamline you. You're saving that architect time by giving him as much information as possible. Now, I'm currently meeting with architects in the area to better understand how they like to work with their builders during the design and pre-construction phase. So you are really showing your position as this is very normal for me. I work with lots of architects. The only thing, and I'll give this away in a second, I want to see where we might be going and opportunity to collaborate. Would you be open to a 20-minute coffee and we can talk about this? Now, here's the thing. I would be putting scarcity into this email. The only one thing I didn't do, I'm only looking to work with one more architect on my books. Say you've got architects on your books. This is a normal thing for you. I've only got space for one more architect. So hey, Jerry, if you've got projects that are between that 1.2 to $2 million range, then we should definitely catch up. That is my script. I'm going to clean this thing up for you now. You can save it and use it. How to use it, you say, Stephanie, Coach Steffi? Well, grab that, boom, put that in your inbox and hit send to all the architects that you have in your, in your email list there or your phone contact. Oh, wait, you don't have any architects? Secret. You can go to Chat GPT and ask it to build you a list of architects in the Lane Cove area. And ask ChatGPT for the name, the company name, the phone number, and the email. Let the robots do the work for you. And then you've got your list and you've got your script and you can get cracking. All the best on securing that next job and becoming the star.